हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज का टॉपिक है लेसन 4 नॉर्थन प्लेन्स। द नॉर्थन प्लेन्स लाई टू द साउथ ऑफ द नॉर्थन माउंटेन्स। दे extend from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. The northern plains have been formed by three major rivers and their tributaries: Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra. These rivers bring along minerals, rocks, and silt from the mountains and deposit them on their banks and surrounding areas. As a result, the soil of the northern plains is very fertile. It is known as alluvial soil. The Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra rivers divide the northern plains into three basins. These basins are hello. These are the rivers of the northern plains: Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra. And the plains are made of fine silt deposited by the rivers, which is called alluvium. The deposit of alluvium makes three plains very fertile. The three important river basins in India are the Satluj River Basin, the Ganga River Basin, and the Brahmaputra River Basin. Punjab and Haryana lie in the Satluj Basin. Most of India's wheat comes from Satluj Basin. Hence, this area is called the wheat basket of India. The Bhakra Dam, built on Satluj River, is the highest dam in India. The Ganga River originates as Bhagirathi from the Gangotri Glacier. Many tributes join the main river from its right and left bank. Tributaries of Ganga joining from the north: Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi. Tributaries of Ganga joining from the south: Chambal, Sindh, Betwa, Son, Yamuna. A delta is low-lying flat land near the sea where the river deposits its sediment. The Ganga and Brahmaputra form the world's largest delta before draining into Bay of Bengal. This delta is known as Sundarban Delta. The river Brahmaputra originates in Tibet, where it is called Tsangpo. The Northern Plains region is one of the most fertile regions of our country. This region is one of the most thickly populated regions in the world. This region supplies food grains to many of the central and southern states. That is why Northern Plain is called the food bowl of India. The farmers of Delhi and Uttar Pradesh grow mainly wheat and sugarcane. Other crops grown here are rice, jowar, bajra, barley, gram, oil seed, etc. The major crops grown in Bihar and West Bengal are rice and jute. Many industries like iron and steel, leather, cement, paper, jute, hosiery, etc. have been set up in this region. Some of the important industrial cities in this region are Delhi, Agra, Kanpur, Ludhiana, Ambala, Chandigarh, Patna, Kolkata, etc. Some important fact about Northern Plains: a stream or a small river that flows into a longer river is known as tributary. Delta means an area of flatland shaped like a triangle. A basin is the total area watered by a river and its tributaries. A large mass of ice formed by snow on mountain moving slowly down the slopes is known as glacier. The Northern plains called the food bowl of India because they are the granary of our country and they produce more food than any other part of our country. The northern plains so fertile due to the alluvium bring down by Himalayan rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi and Brahmaputra. The Satluj basin in the west, Ganga basin in the middle and Brahmaputra basin in the east. Shillong, Guwahati and Dispur are the main cities of the Brahmaputra basin. Brahmaputra and Padma rivers form biggest delta in the world. This is all about the northern plains of India.